Hello everyone, so welcome to the March 2018 Happy Mail haul. For those that have not watched these videos, we've been doing this for the past, it's been over 2 years now, two and a half years. These are cards that you guys have made and sent in to my P.O. box, and then at the end of every month or beginning of the next, I film what showed up in the P.O. box, just to show off all of the cards you guys are making. Now, a little bit of housekeeping before I get started. First off, there are themes. I list them in the description box of the video, as well as on my blog. On my blog, I have the RAK/ Happy Mail haul category where I have them all listed. I have a playlist here on YouTube, etc. I'm not super strict with the category, which we will get into because there's some cards for previous months, but they didn't show up until March, so then I set them aside. Speaking of setting them aside, I am more than okay with people sending extras, like upcoming is, we've got, you know, the April, May, June, etc. And if people want to bundle everything together and send for April, May, and June, I'm totally okay with that. Like, this is my little container where I keep the extra cards for the next couple of months. I ask that if you can label them, it helps. A lot of people put them in, you know, a clear little envelope. Throwing a sticky note on it is totally fine, and it'll just say, you know, April, May, June, etc. It just saves me some time. Also, please don't send more than 2 cards per theme or per month. So like some of these packages have, like, you know, 6 cards in them, etc. That's okay. I can handle that. Lately, some people have been sending in huge packages, like boxes of cards, huge padded envelopes, just stuffed full. I have nowhere to put them, literally. Like, this little container is all I've got for storage for the upcoming Happy Mail haul, plus like the months coming up. And I have been a little bit overwhelmed recently with more, like, just great big packages, and I have nowhere to put them. So that is also something I get asked a lot. I've addressed this a lot. What do I do with the cards? Some of them I kind of put up on display. I don't really have any space, and I can't hang things on the walls here because I'm in a rental. So I just kind of rotate them out right now. Down the road, I will have an actual little, like, unit where I can kind of hang all the cards and kind of rotate them out. That way, you know, people can get a better look at them and whatnot. But I've had people asking about, you know, right now I just don't have the space. I do this because I love it. I love showing what you guys make, but I don't have space. So if people can just kind of stick to those few little parameters, this will go a lot smoother, and I won't be as extremely overwhelmed and stressed as I've been the last few months with this, because it's been a lot. So, housekeeping done. Let's get into the fabulous cards. So I've got this one from Mary Ann in Nashville, and this was another one that was meant for a previous Happy Mail haul, but it didn't show up until later. And it's got like some shimmer. I think this is paint, like a stripe of paint. I like that. That's really fun. And some little pearls, and just very spread kindness. The world needs more of it. I very much agree with that. So that one, and then I've got this one from Cheryl in the US. This is one of my favorite Simon Says stamp sets, and I really like how you did it in just black and white and then just the sentiment in color. I really like that. And then there's like shimmer added to the main image. Really, really fun. And then yeah, this one was for the February theme as well, which was kindness. So I thought I would show these two first. Oh, that's another reason why I'd save this one. I really like how you did this. Love it. Even just something as simple as that, just the wording, it's so nice. So many of you are decorating the envelopes, and I just love it. It just makes it more fun when I come to pick up the mail. So I've got that one. And then I got this one from Sherry in Wisconsin. This gorgeous, like, lighthouse one, and same thing. She stamped on the envelope and colored it a little bit, which I really like. And this has got like some shimmer to it as well. So yeah, nice little like rounded corners or inverted corners. So So that one. And then I've got a couple of these from Gloria, who's also in the US. These cute little bees. I think these were buttons. It's just a fun little embellishment. It's got that one and this cute little puppy dog card. So yeah, really fun. That, and then I have this one from Jen, who is also in the US. So cute to do color backgrounds and then just to leave the images uncolored, so they just kind of pop against the color. I really like that. I really like that. So really cute. So was that one. And then I've got this one from Sabrina in France. All this pattern paper and very shimmery. You can kind of see that shimmer. And then like bringing the pattern paper onto the inside of the card as well. I really like that. Fun. Just fun. There's that. And then I've got this one from Brenda in the US. Weird is a side effect of awesome. This is in the Tim Holtz Crazy Birds set. Love. And a really fun background. I like how you have the cloud to it. It does almost look like a cloudy, like colorful, cloudy background. I really like that. And that. And this one is from Haley in Australia. Love the bright colors. So bright and fun. Just love it. Like, just pops. Got that one. And this really cute one. This showed up from Stephanie in Germany. And I really like your postage stamps. They're so cute. Why do we not get cute postage stamps? And same thing, like just a really fun way to do the envelope. There's like a little coffee theme. Thank you for the shape sprinkles. I always want more of these. I love these Doodlebug. These are the Breakfast Buddies ones with the little bacon and the little waffles and the Pop-Tart. Gifts are never necessary. I've said that many times, but thank you. I appreciate it. It's really cute. And I love this coffee card you did. I have this set and I don't even think I've used it yet. But I love how you added like glossy accents to all of these coffee cups, so they're all shiny. It's just adorable. I love little cards like this. They just, I don't know, it was just so cute. So there's that one. And then this one from Ija in Finland. Just cute little koala bear and just absolutely adorable. So adorable. That. And then we've got a couple cards from Hope, and those, again, those that are familiar with her crochet, or not crochet, cross stitch cards. Really pretty. She's like a metallic thread on some of these. So yeah, these are all cross stitch on fabric. There have been many over the last couple of years, and a lot of questions asked. Hope doesn't have a YouTube channel or anything like that. She just sends in cards. She gets her patterns from different magazines, and yeah, she does it on fabric, and then she backs it with cardstock and turns them into a card. So really, really like that, and I'm always very impressed because I know how time consuming these are. I like especially this one. So yeah, a fabulous tea themed one. Love this. Like both sides. This is one more cup. So yeah, absolutely fabulous. So I've got that one. And then I've got this one from Lori in Ottawa. And same thing. This is really bright. I love bright colors on black. I really like this stamp set. I don't know what stamp set this one is from, but it's just really fun. Same with like, I don't know if this comes with that set or not, but like the watercolor palette. And then you could color it in any colors. Like, such a great card. So yeah, all watercolored, and then again, like glossy accents added to the jars to make them all shiny. Always love. There's that one. And then, oop, I'm like knocking everything over. Last but certainly not least, this is another card that she had made for the actual challenge. So the fun little critters. Really cute. I like the white heat emboss for the background. And then like continuing in it, as well as there's a matching envelope. It's got the ball, you know, continually bouncing, and that little puppy dog. He's so cute. I don't know what set this is from, but it's so adorable. So adorable. So thank you all so much. Sorry for the very long housekeeping intro to today's video. As always, for those watching, if you have questions about any of the stamp sets or techniques or anything that you see, leave those in the comment section below, especially here on YouTube. But also you can leave them on my blog, etc., because those that made these will be able to read them and they can respond with what they did or what, you know, what stamps they used, etc., etc. So it's just a nice way for them to hear what you guys think. So leave some nice comments for all of them in the description box, or not in this habit, in the comment section below. I think that would just be really, really nice. I like that you guys really stepped up, you know, to leave some appreciation. Can be a little, you know, nerve-wracking, I guess. I know some people have said they're very nervous about sending in cards. Don't be nervous at all. At all. We all have to start somewhere. I shared on my Instagram the beginning of March. Yes, the beginning of March, I found one of the very first cards I ever posted online. I found it and I posted on my Instagram. Just to show that, you know, we all have to start somewhere. So thank you all so much for taking the time to send these in, for the letters and the notes and everything. I so appreciate it. And it's so much fun to show these off to all of you. So until next month's Happy Mail haul video, I will see you all very soon in a upcoming video. Bye.